Oh, jeez! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, in the middle of my work day, doing service work. For those of you that don't know, I use my 2018 Tesla Model 3 for service work. I do in-home appliance repair. And in the middle of my work day today, I was in the town of Gurnee, Illinois, and just driving along, and all of a sudden I hear some commotion, and I realized there was a traffic accident that happened up ahead of me to the left. And in fact, I had to grab the wheel and yank to swerve around debris that spit out in front of me. So I got the footage on my dash cam. So take a look. Anyway, it was interesting how fast it happened, and I'm glad I had the presence of mind to hit the button and record all of that footage so I could show you guys. And in case you're wondering, well, no, I didn't stop to help. It's a busy road. I was actually running late. However, I did call the police, and I gave them all of my information, and I let them know that I drive a Tesla and I have this recorded on dash cam. They said they would turn over my information to the detectives, and if the detectives had a need to contact me, that they would. And they thanked me for contacting them. So anyway, let's be careful out there, people. Let's be careful. But I wanted to show you guys. I thought it was. We live in a society that everyone's got their cell phone with, right? And you look at funniest home videos or whatever, and everybody's recording everything. Well, it's kind of cool that now we have cars that are perpetually recording things, and I think it's going to be. I've had people tell me that they're worried about it, invasion of privacy or whatever. But I actually think that in the case of accidents, it can be a very good thing that we can see exactly what happened. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. If you have any questions, leave them below. And also go ahead and subscribe. Click the notification bell. There are a lot of new Model 3 channels on YouTube, and so the viewing audience is getting spread thin. And so I want to be able to continue doing this, and my channel is growing. But the more it grows, the better video content that I can get out there to you guys. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. You guys have yourselves a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.